how to view items in Horrortale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the items or your vault. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here on the left top, you can see this idea icon. Tap on this idea icon. Now here on the right, at the second option, you can see this box-like icon. Tap on it. So this is a type of vault in the game. Here you'll be able to see the items that you have collected. So here there are different hints available too. So after collecting different items, you can check this section, and here there will be different hint and location and even where to use it. So this is a type of puzzle that it gives after you collect something in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.